Ayan, have you encountered an exponent raised to an exponent? Ayan, how do we simplify that, or how do we... Good day everyone, and welcome to another Math with Teacher Justin. On today's topic, we're going to discuss laws of exponent, power rule. So, power rule. If you encounter an exponent raised to another exponent, in order for us to simplify that, we are just simply going to write the base and then multiply the exponents. I'm going to show you an example of this. Okay, I'm going to prove to you bakit kailangan nating i-multiply yung exponent pag nag-power rule tayo. Okay? So, stay tuned. So, let's have an example. For example, we have x squared raised to 3. So, in simplifying this, using power rule, we just have to multiply the exponent. Pero I'm going to show you the long version of this one, yung pinakamahabang version niya. So, how many x squared do we have here in this expression? So, we have 3x squared. So, x squared times x squared times x squared. Now, we can now apply the rules for product, or the product rule. So, we can now apply the product rule in this situation. So, we can just simply identify how many x do we have here. So, we have x times x, kasi dalawa yung x niya. Ito din, x times x, and we have x times x. Knowing that we have how many x's here, so we have 6 na variable x. Therefore, we can now multiply them all together. We can say we have x raised to 6. Okay? Now, if we're going to apply the power rule, okay, we can just simply multiply the exponent of x, which is 2, and then the exponent, which is 3. So, we can just simply multiply the exponents 2 and 3. So, we have x raised to 6. If you can observe, pareho lang sila. So, okay, for example, we have x raised to 7 raised to 9. So, again, if we want this, or if we want to have a shorter solution, we can just simply apply the power rule. So, we can just multiply the exponent 7 and 9. So, copy the base, then multiply 7 and 9. So, we will have x raised to 63. And that will be our final answer. Okay, let's have another example. For example, we have y raised to 3 raised to 4. We will just simply apply the power rule, copy the base, and then multiply the exponent. So we have y raised to 12, which is our final answer. Okay? So, now that you already know how to simplify using the power rule, now it's your turn to try this. And we have a short practice exercise for this one. Please try to answer, okay? And if you still need more time to answer this practice exercise, you can pause the video. And if you're done, here are the answers for our practice exercise. I hope that you got the correct answer. If you want more practice exercises, I'm going to leave something sa comment section or sa description box. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have questions, clarifications, recommendations, suggestions, please comment on our comment section below. Share this video, and do not forget to subscribe. And for more videos like this, you can go to my channel, Teacher Justin. Okay, that's it for today. Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video.